Hey, it's Andrew Helmich here from PhotoBizX. I had a coaching call yesterday morning with one of my clients based in Canada, and she has an upcoming promotion. She's actually going to have a monthly promotion or a monthly shoot where she's offering express headshots. And it's a great idea. The plan is to fill up with these mini headshot sessions once a month with a different background and offer her clients a refreshing new look. Super fast, super easy for them. I love the idea. It's a great addition to the rest of her business. But what she's struggling with and what she's having an issue with that I thought might be helpful for you is she's part of a bigger women's group. And at the last meeting with these women, I think there's around 100 in the group, she had a voucher offering them something exclusive if they register for one of these express headshots. And so that was all good. She's excited about that. And we're talking about what to offer these women. So her initial thought was, well, I've made it sound like it's going to be a discount, so I think that's what I should do, and which I thought was the first mistake. And then she thought to herself, well, I don't want to lose too much money, so what about a 10% discount? But to me, and I'm guessing it's the same for you, when you go shopping, a discount really has to be 30% at least to get my attention. And really, I'm looking for 40 or 50%, even up to 60% to be really excited about the special. So that was one option. But the problem with the discount is it's money going out the door. It's money that you can't recoup, or it's money that you're giving away to your client, which you don't want to do as a photographer. So a better option would be to give something that has high value to the client, but doesn't cost you too much in your business. So the obvious thing as a photographer is to give away a digital file, give away an enlargement, give away a print. Value adds somehow to what the client's going to get. So if you give away an 8x10, for example, it costs you between $5 and $10, but it might have a value of up to $150. Now that's probably not the right thing in this case because the photos are going to be headshots. So it's studio type lighting, white background, maybe a black background. So probably not the best sort of thing to have as a print. So we did some brainstorming, and because all the clients that are going to be getting this exclusive deal are women, we thought, well, there's going to be a makeup artist there with the photographer to do some makeup before these mini express shoots. So I said, well, how about we offer them some lipstick or some makeup? But lipstick seemed like a nice thing because it's something that she could work out with the makeup artist. There's a good chance that the makeup artist has the ability to get a great price on the lipstick. So that would be a great exclusive offer. So book a session, get a free lipstick. It's great value for the women coming to get the shoot. They're gonna love having a free lipstick. That's a nice thing. And if the makeup artist is there and gets on board, she will have the chance to put in a voucher for her services. She can probably get the lipstick at a great price that she can pass on to the photographer. So they can do a joint little deal or marketing promotion with that lipstick. So to me, that's the win-win situation. We chatted a bit more. She absolutely loved the idea of the lipstick. She's not 100% certain that she can get that to work. So we looked at the possibility of including some other kind of makeup, whether it's blush or eyeliner, something else that every woman's going to want. But the lipstick seemed like the no-brainer to both of us. If the idea of giving away the lipstick just wasn't going to work, the next best option was to include an extra digital file. But she doesn't really want to do that because these express headshots are a special price already, and the whole goal of doing these headshots was to upsell some additional digital files on top. So I said, okay, how about we offer 50% off any additional, or maybe just the second digital file. But you're probably going to have to do for every additional digital file in this case because it's a special offer for these women only. If it's only going to be 50% off the next digital file, it's going to probably stop them from purchasing more. So if we go in and say 50% off any additional digital files, that's still going to work well in the photographer's favor and give her a good chance at upselling some extra images that way. So the photographer was a little bit concerned that giving 50% off wasn't a good enough deal. It wasn't exclusive enough. But I explained, and if you're in the same situation, this is still a great deal. This is still an exclusive offer. So if I come to you for a photo shoot, I'm getting a great deal, and I had this special offer, this exclusive offer that you promised me as one of your clients, and I saw that everyone else was paying full price for any additional prints or digital files, and you were giving me 50% off as part of your women's group, that is still an exclusive offer. So there's no need to second guess yourself. There's no need to worry what the client might think. They will be wrapped with an extra 50% off, particularly and especially if no one else is getting that price. So just to recap, if you want to offer a special, the very best thing if you're doing this on your own is to give an additional product if you can, something that's low cost to you but high value to the client so they appreciate it. It's going to look good for you. The next best option, which could in fact be the best option depending on your situation, is to have a product that you can get at a good price that still has a high value for your client. Now, if you're joining forces with another business, like in this case with a makeup artist or a hairstylist, you've got to be able to work something else out there. They will get makeup or hair products at super cheap prices because they're in the business. You can join forces and you can do something together as a marketing promo. The very last thing you want to do is to give a straight out discount. So if you are going to do that, you want to incentivize the client to spend more to get that discount. And it's not cheating, it's not being tricky, it still is an exclusive deal. You know, you're giving 50% off where everyone else is paying full price. That is exclusive, that's a great deal. Don't be afraid to do that. I hope this has helped and I hope you can use this in your business. Whether or not you're shooting headshots, portraits, or even weddings, you can use these different tactics and ideas to get better upsells. Now, if you're looking behind me or you have been looking behind me and wondering what's going on in the background, yes, I'm a cyclist, I'm a bike racer, so you can see a bunch of my bikes back there. I raced this morning, just back in, had a great race. That really ugly looking orange and green cupboard in the background, that was my grandfather's. He died quite a few years ago now, but that was one thing that I got from his garage. It's something that he had for years and years and years. We used to go down into his workshop and it used to be down there. But actually when it was down in his workshop, there were actually Page 3 and Playboy models cut out of magazines and stuck on the cupboards there. So I had to remove those because I've got kids. Pretty ugly, but I still love it. All right, have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.